Today I'd like to introduce the second generation max vent system.
With Alpha-Sheet our second generation max vent system, we aim to achieve something exceptional. We implemented 21st century technology, nanotechnology you could say. We incorporated tiny silver particles into the material, making the system antifungal, antistatic and antibacterial.
We used reinforcements. The design was inspired by nature, by honeycombs.
The shape of these boxes and the material make them exceptionally quiet. They don't resonate or make any sounds. This is a very important feature when designing boxes. Even if you make metal boxes, they must be lined on the inside with a rubber mat to dampen the sound. This system is comprised of 9 elements. We have developed and cataloged more than 300 different box configurations using these elements. A 200 millimeter diameter, 160, 125 with an adapter, bottom and side connectors. We can produce through boxes, terminal boxes. We have a simple, excellent installation system. This mounting system, these plates, enable us to install it without any problems. These plates can be longer. There will be several different types available. We can install this on a suspended ceiling on the floor, on roof trusses. There is no location where this cannot be successfully installed. Using these 9 basic elements, we can assemble more than 300 different types of boxes. These ducts are antibacterial, antifungal, then the plenum boxes.
2 different types of dampers for adjustment.
We can manufacture individual boxes, a single model, 2 model, or 3 model versions. We really wanted to make something good that would work well for everyone.
And we'll keep implementing new systems. We're thinking about flat ducts. We're already working on them. This system will also be designed for flat ducts. I don't yet know how long it will take. Might be a year or so. If you have feedback on this system, please tell us. We will be improving it just as we will be improving the duct mounting. It is very good, durable, but some want it to be on the inside, some want it clamped. That's why we've got the second model developed and are working on the third one. There's one more thing I wanted to tell you. We are launching the Max Vent Ventilation Academy. But besides purely practical things which you can see on YouTube videos or learn from someone else, we'll teach theory. The course will be maybe 3, 4, 5 hours long. We will provide the participants with such extensive knowledge that they will be able to design and install a ventilation system for their building. Choose the right ducts, whether the 63, 75 or 90 millimeter ones. And with the knowledge that we will convey, they will be capable of providing services, have their own company. I myself am a former teacher. I was fired because the school got closed down as they were eliminating vocational schools around 2007-2008. The school profile was changed. It became a technical school. I will endeavor to convey valuable knowledge so that you will master the subject. I'll share my practical experience from various construction sites, from my teaching days, so that you will be able to work in a new profession